Enter the real world of Kipware Suite, your complete machining cycle time, cost estimating, quoting, tracking, and profit and loss analyzing toolbox. It's time to stop winning unprofitable work and to set your shop on the track for the success you always dreamed of. Without the unnecessary complexity and high price tag you dread, Kipware Suite includes the tools you need to go from a realistic machining cycle time estimate to accurate cost estimate to a customer-received quotation in minutes, not hours. Kipware Suite will produce cycle time estimates that can actually be reproduced on your shop floor and cost estimates that you can trust and from which you can actually see profits. By adding optional modules for tracking and profit and loss analysis, Kipware Suite can be your complete, real-world business software toolbox. And with interfaces built by the real world, for the real world, you'll spend more time doing and less time learning and fumbling with new software. Ready to transform your shop? Get in touch or visit our website today to learn more about Kipware Suite. Let's make your shop the super shop you always knew it could be. Learn more at our website, www.kipware.com, or review more videos at our YouTube channel, KT Software.